Domino's robot dog vs Seagulls. Meet Domidog, the beach pizza protector. Ever had your seaside snack swiped by sneaky seagulls? Domino's has a new answer. Domidog, a high-tech robot dog designed to protect your pizza from airborne thieves. This four-legged machine isn't just for show. Built on Boston Dynamics cutting-edge robotics, Domidog can navigate sand, dodge obstacles, and keep a close eye on your order using advanced sensors and stereo cameras. Why the need? Researchers show seagulls are one of the biggest annoyances at the British seaside, with 1 in 3 visitors saying they've been targeted. Domino's decided enough was enough. While Domidog won't be replacing delivery drivers, it's being trialled this summer at beach hotspots to keep your slices safe and secure and still piping hot. Domino say it's all part of their mission to deliver smarter, fresher and now seagull-proof services. So if you're on the beach and spot a robotic pup cruising by with a pizza on board, don't worry, it's not the future gone mad, it's just Domidog here to guard your garlic and your margarita. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.